எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். நான் உங்கள் தண்டபாணி பேசுகிறேன். நிறைய பேர் இண்டஸ்ட்ரியில் ஒர்க் பண்ணுறவங்களும் சரி அல்லது காலேஜில் படிச்சுட்டு இருக்கிறவங்களும் சரி கேட்டிருந்தாங்க. அதாவது இங்கிலீஷில் வீடியோஸ் போடுங்க சார், நீங்கள் தமிழ்லையும் போடுங்க இங்கிலீஷ்லையும் போடுங்க, ஏன்னா இங்கிலீஷில் நிறைய பேர் கேட்குறாங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லியிருந்தாங்க. ஸோ அதுக்காக இந்த வீடியோ பொதுவாக ஒரு கேட் இன்ஜினியருக்கும் ஒரு சிஏ இன்ஜினியருக்கும் என்னென்ன ரிக்குவயர்மெண்ட் இண்டஸ்ட்ரி எதிர்பார்க்குது அப்படிங்கிறத பற்றி இங்கிலீஷில் நான் இந்த வீடியோ போடுறேன். வாங்க வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகலாம். Good morning to all. I am Dr. N.V. Dandapani from MEC Design Consultancy, Coimbatore. Today I would like to share with you regarding the topic of CAD engineer and CA engineer. Basically, maybe a CAD engineer or a CA engineer, what is the requirement or industry what exactly expecting from CAD and CA engineers. First let us see CAD engineers. So CAD engineers generally the engineers are going to create the CAD models. Not only like creating the CAD models, he should also know the basic and fundamental concept about the product and the drawings. If you say that drawing means he has to read the drawing and study the complete detail about the product. Okay, so whatever the information is required for making the drawing, let us say like he should know the sheet size, layout, title block, bill of material, selection of material, and particularly the most important parameter like tolerance and GT&T. So generally some basic and fundamental calculations by using like bending equation or a torsion equations. So by using this bending and torsion equation, he has to determine or finding out the like stress distribution, deformation and other parameters, mainly that is used for like finding out the calculations, and this is also important parameter for a CAD engineers. Okay, after knowing these basic and fundamental concept, he should know the like sheet metal. Sheet metal is the most important parameter in industry. There are many industries that are fabricating the sheet metal component and sheet metal products. Design engineer should know the design data book. So the design data book is mainly used for graphical representations and standard values, standard components or the standard design parameters, even units and formulas also getting from the design data book. So as a CAD design engineer should know the fundamental concept about mechanical engineering and also usage of the design data book. Once if he know the complete information about the fundamentals and the CAD as well as the design data book details, then only he has to go for software. So software means mainly two software is very important. One is for CAD software, especially in AutoCAD, and other may be like a 3D software. There are many 3D softwares are available. It's like SolidWorks, Creo, CATIA, Unigraphics, Solidity and so on. There are many softwares are there. So in my intention is at least only one software you should know very thoroughly. If you take one CAD software, he has to know that what are all the features which is available in the software. He has to know and how to use the features, and also part modeling, assembling. From the part modeling and assembling, he has to convert into the 2D drafting. So drafting also the another important area or module from the 3D CAD model. So these things also should know that. Okay, so finally what I am telling us, as the CAD engineer should know the fundamental concept and usage of design data book and the software applications. So then only he would become a very good CAD design engineer in the core mechanical industries. The next is FEA engineer. Before going to see an FEA engineer, this is also called CAE engineers. FEA engineers mainly he should know the fundamental concept about FEA. So what is mean by FEA? What are the basic steps which is involved in finite element analysis? Maybe a pre-processing, solution and the post-processing methods. This is the basic steps actually. And any product if you are going to design, any product if you are going to model, After completion of the model or after completion of the design, he should go for manufacturing. Before manufacturing, he has to evaluate that particular product, whether it is okay or not. How he has to evaluate? Maybe you are doing all quality and all production inspection, everything you have done. But before going to manufacturing, you should know how to evaluate whether this product is okay or not. So the only way is either you can calculate by using the fundamental formulas. This is like also call it as scientific approach, or otherwise you can go with FEM softwares. There are many softwares are available. ANSYS, HyperMesh, FEMFAT, FEFETIC and so on. There are many analysis softwares are available. So it is very easy also. Some people or some engineers feel that no, FEA is very difficult and FEA software is also very difficult. It is not like that. FEA basically only applicable concept which is available in physics and mathematical concept. That's all. If an engineer should know the fundamental physics and mathematical equations and formulas, it is very easy to learn FEM or finite element analysis. Okay, and once if you know the FEM or finite element analysis concept, that entire thing has to apply in the software. The software will give only the solutions or the results, but always scientific approach is giving the solutions like accurate solutions, but FEM results or the analysis result is giving only the approximate solution. So how we have to validate? He has to know the like scientific approach is giving the results, it is an accurate, and FEM result is giving approximate results. If you get almost approximately closeness to your accurate result means, that will be your successful model, that will be your final output. Okay, so this output is matching with your like the requirement or the customer requirement. That is the validation part actually. So if it is the matching the result, then further you can proceed for manufacturing the product. So this is how CAE engineer role is much more important in CAE industries, or especially for core mechanical industries. CAE engineer's role is, this is very important. FEA fundamentals, then that FEA fundamental concept has to be incorporated with FEA softwares. It may be anything like ANSYS or the HyperMesh software. There are many softwares are there. Pre-processing software is there and post-processing software is there. In my observation, at least minimum only one software, if you are thorough, means that will be more than sufficient to do CAE analysis of any products or any simulations. Okay, so this is how industry will be expecting from CAE engineers. So finally, I have to conclude with, as a CAD design engineer, should know the fundamental concept and usage of design data book, and both the information should be incorporated with your CAD softwares. Then if you go for CA engineer, should know the FEM basic equations, mathematical concept and physics applications along with FEM softwares. So he has to know the how to apply with the FEM software, then we can get the results. Once if you know thoroughly with this particular information, then that will be very useful in the current scenario core mechanical industries. Thank you.